In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images clickable in Squarespace. This feature can really enhance the interactivity of your website, and it's incredibly useful if you want to direct your visitors to other pages or external sites. So let's get started with the step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to head over to your Squarespace website editor. Once you're there, locate and click on the option to add a block. Adding a block is the first step in building or modifying your web pages, and it's where we're going to house our image. After that, you'll see a variety of options to add different types of content blocks. Here, you'll want to go ahead and click on Image. The image block allows you to upload pictures and is essential for making the image clickable. Clicking Image kicks off the process of inserting your visual content. Now that you have your image block, the next step is crucial. Move your mouse over the newly added block and click on Edit. This action opens up editing features specifically for your image, allowing you to customize various settings. Next, we need to actually add an image. You'll notice an option that says Add an Image. Go ahead and click it. Doing this brings up options for uploading new images or selecting from those you have previously used. It's an intuitive step designed to make the image selection process straightforward and user-friendly. Now, locate the Upload File button and click it to upload your desired image from your computer. Remember, the quality of the image can significantly impact how attractive it is to click, so choose a high-quality file if you can. The next step is to make this image clickable. To achieve this, look for and click on Attach Link. This step is vital because it's where you'll specify where you want users to be directed when they click the image. After clicking Attach Link, a field will appear for you to type in your external link. Enter the desired URL that you'd like your visitors to be redirected to. It could be another page on your site, a product listing, or even an external website. The freedom here is quite expansive, so think about the most valuable destinations for your audience. Finally, once you've entered the link, it's time to make sure all your changes are saved. Find and click the Save button. Saving your changes ensures that your clickable image setup is complete and functional. And that's all it takes. Your image is now clickable, serving as both a visual element and a functional link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you add that extra layer of functionality to your Squarespace site.